Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. And with my mini savings video, I have $50. I have two $5 bills, which is my savings boost. And I'm just going to slide them in here. And I have 6 saving challenges that is going to help me save towards my revolving sinking funds. And what I try to do is complete as many as I can by the end of the month. And at the end of the month, I will share with you guys how much I saved and which sinking funds will get that money. So that's how I reallocate those funds. And let me get my 6-sided die here to help me determine which saving challenge will get 2 bills. So we are starting with 5. And then we have 2, 3. Hopefully every saving challenge will get a little love. 2, 1, 2. And if you haven't tried this method of savings, I say give it a shot. You can do a savings boost of 3. You can save with $20, $10. It doesn't matter. Cash or coins, as long as you saving is the point. All right, that's why I like this, because you can really customize it to your budget. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Oh, saving boost of 4. Oh, 4 again. Are we gonna finish 4? And 3 got the last 2 bills. Oh, that's 3, girl. Get it together. You see, look, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You just do it. All right. Let's see. Are we going to finish one today? I don't know. So let's start with this one. This one got 2 bills, and this is created by Plan to Save Designs. And most of these I found on their Kofi, or if not their Kofi, they was a freebie. And I do have joined a couple memberships. I am a member of Bookish Mama Budgets, Budget with Carly, and I'm missing one. I'm drawing blank. I will leave it right here on the screen. But yeah, I am part of some memberships. So that's how I do have some of these little minis here. But most of them you can find free on their Kofi. So even on my Kofi, I have a couple minis there. So far this one got $5, $6, $7, $8. Next we have, speaking of Bookish Mama Budgets, this says $30. And this one got $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, and $6. So let's go ahead and go 2, 4, and 6. Perfect. Next we have Mystic Budgets. This was a freebie from order. Ooh, and this one got a freebie. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should I count the circles? I don't know. So you got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. I'm just gonna do the hearts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna take the $6 out, put those ones there, and let's cross out the rest of the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And let's see how much in total. This little mini savings saved us $16. All right, and that is a completed challenge. Let me get a paper clip. And of course, I don't have a saving challenge to replace it, but that is okay. So boom, we finished this one. All right, so next we have this. You can find in my Etsy shop. This says $36. Ooh, it got a lot of dollars. It got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. And we got 4, 8, and 4, which is 12. Oh, almost there. Should we just finish it? Ew. I kind of want to finish it. Are any of the other ones close to finishing? Okay, let's go ahead and put $4 from this stack. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I told you there is no rules to saving, long as you are what? Saving. So let's go ahead and shade in this 4. And we should have $36. So that's 25 to 20. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. Make you wanna holla. And gems, that is another completed challenge. And another one I need to find. I just got some Happy Mail from Bookish Mama Budget, so I should get that out. And I did win a giveaway too. Yes. I'm gonna have to, I don't know. I think I already put it away. Oh dear. All right. This is created by Doodle Dollars. You're terrific. And each teacup is $2. So let's see how much you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. And should I just put these $2 to here? Ooh, what should I do? I think I should put it, I think I'm going to put it towards that one. Okay, no, I'm going to hold off on that. Let's see how much we got so far. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $32. Okay. We racking up on that one. All right. And this one is created by Budget with Carly, says 36. And today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So let's do 3, 6, and 8. All right, hold on. That's at $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. You got $8, $9, $10. All right, so these 2 bills that's left, I am going to put towards here, because this one has a long way to go. So I'm going to add $2 more to here. And let's go ahead and just color this one in. Perfect. All right, not going to recount that. So look at that, $50 in the mini savings. This one was, how much was this one? 16. So let me put 16 on here, 16. All right, so that is what, $52 right there. Boom. $50 saved, $52 completed. And I will add this to my completed challenge bag, and I will share with you guys at the end of the month how much was saved. So I will get some new challenges in here. And then we'll be all set for next week. All right, gems. That is it. That was short, sweet, and straight to the point. So thank you everyone for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.